I want you to think about something. You studied English for years. You know grammar, you know vocabulary. But when a native speaker talks to you, fast, natural, easy, you understand maybe 50%. And you wonder, what are they saying? Why does it sound so different? Today, I am going to tell you exactly what they are saying and why it sounds nothing like what you learned in school. My name is Henry. Welcome to Simple Spoken. And today, this lesson is one I have wanted to make for a long time because there is a list, a real list, 50 phrases that native English speakers use every single day. Not in textbooks, not in grammar tests, in kitchens, in offices, in coffee shops, on phones, in the middle of normal, ordinary life. Here's the thing most English learners don't know. Fluency is not about knowing 10,000 words. It is about knowing the right 200 words, deeply, naturally, automatically. And many of those words, they are hiding in sight plain, in phrases so short, so simple, that most teachers walk right past them. Today, we stop walking past them. I'm going to give you 50 of them, grouped, clear, and spoken slowly so you can repeat every single one. And by the end of this video, you will understand native speakers at a level you have never had before. Stay till the very end, because the final group of phrases, numbers 41 to 50, those are the ones that make people think you have been speaking English your whole life. Let's begin. Group 1, phrases 1 to 10. These are the phrases native speakers use to start their day, to greet people, to begin conversations. You will hear these in every office, every school, every shop, every single morning. Say each one with me, out loud, right now. Phrase 1. How's it going? How's it going? Phrase 2. What's up? Casual, friendly, very common. What's up? Phrase 3. Long time no see, when you haven't seen someone for a while. Long time no see. Phrase 4. Good to see you. Warm, simple, always welcome. Good to see you. Phrase 5. How have you been? For someone you know but haven't spoken to recently. How have you been? Phrase 6. I've been good, thanks. This is how you answer phrase 6. I've been good, thanks. Phrase 7. Not bad, not bad. Saying this twice sounds very natural. Not bad, not bad. Phrase 8. Same old, means nothing new, everything is normal. Same old, same old. Phrase 9. Can't complain, means things are okay, life is fine. Can't complain. Phrase 10. You good? Super casual, very natural and everyday speech. You good? 10 phrases. Done. And here is something I love about this group. None of them are difficult. Not a single one. But how many of them did you already know how to use automatically, naturally, without thinking? That is exactly why we're here. 10 down, 40 to go. And I promise it gets more interesting from here, because the next group, these are the phrases that live inside every real English conversation, the ones that make a native speaker sound so natural, the ones most English courses never teach you. Group 2. Group 2, phrases 11 to 20. Reactions, agreement, the sounds a native speaker makes while listening. This group is so important because in English, when someone talks to you, you don't just stand quietly. You respond, you react, you show you are listening. And these are the words that do exactly that. Phrase 11. Oh, wow. Pure surprise, instant reaction. Oh, wow. Phrase 12. No way. Disbelief, shock, also used when you're excited. No way. Phrase 13. Are you serious? Surprise, or sometimes gentle disbelief. Are you serious? Phrase 14. That's crazy. A strong reaction, very common. That's crazy. Phrase 15. I know, right? Agreement. You feel the same way they do. I know, right? Phrase 16. Totally. Strong agreement. Very natural. Totally. Phrase 17. Absolutely. Firm, warm agreement. Absolutely. Phrase 18. Fair enough. You understand their point, even if you don't fully agree. Fair enough. Phrase 19. Makes sense. Simple, clean, shows you understood. Makes sense. Phrase 20. Tell me about it. Not a question. This means I completely agree with you. Tell me about it. Notice something about this group? Every one of those phrases is short. 2 words, 3 words, sometimes just 1. But when you use them at the right moment, in the right tone, you sound like you have spoken English your whole life. That is the magic of this group. Not what you say, when you say it. Group 3. Phrases 21 to 30. These are the phrases you use when you need help, when you didn't hear something clearly, when you want to check your understanding, when you feel a little lost and you need to ask without feeling embarrassed. Because asking for help in English, that is not weakness, that is intelligence. Phrase 21. Could you say that again, please? Polite, clear, always acceptable. Could you say that again, please? Phrase 22. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Very natural. Native speakers say this too. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Phrase 23. What do you mean by that? When you want more explanation. What do you mean by that? Phrase 24. Could you slow down a little? Completely acceptable to ask this. Could you slow down a little? Phrase 25. Let me make sure I understand. Shows you are careful and thoughtful. Let me make sure I understand. Phrase 26. Does that make sense? Used after you explain something to check the other person understood. Does that make sense? Phrase 27. I'm not sure I follow. Polite way to say, I don't understand yet. I'm not sure I follow. Phrase 28. Can you give me an example? Brilliant question in any language. Can you give me an example? Phrase 29. Just to clarify. Use this before you restate what someone said. Just to clarify. Phrase 30. Got it. Thank you. Simple, clean, confident close to any clarification. Got it. Thank you. This group is personal to me because when I teach English learners, these are the phrases I wish someone had given them from day one. Not grammar rules, not verb tables. These, the words that make real life easier. 30 phrases. You are halfway there. And I want to say something. If you've been saying these out loud as we go, You are doing something most English learners never do. You are using the language, not just listening to it. That right there, that is how fluency is built. Keep going with me, because the next two groups, they are the ones that unlock the most natural, confident English of all. And number 41 to 50, at the very end, that group has a secret inside it. I will explain when we get there. Group 4, phrases 31 to 40. Feelings, opinions, the things we say when life is good and when it is hard. These phrases make you sound human in English, not like a textbook, not like a translation, like a real person living a real life. Phrase 31. Honestly. You use this before a real opinion. It signals truth. Honestly. Phrase 32. To be honest with you. Longer, warmer version of phrase 31. To be honest with you. Phrase 33. I feel like. Before sharing a personal thought or feeling. I feel like. Phrase 34. It's not a big deal. Means don't worry, it doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. Phrase 35. That really got to me. Means something affected you emotionally. That really got to me. Phrase 36. I'm so over it. Means you were tired of something, done with it. I'm so over it. Phrase 37. I can't believe it. Strong surprise. Could be good or bad. I can't believe it. Phrase 38. That means a lot. When someone does or says something kind. That means a lot. Phrase 39. I'm proud of you. Warm, generous, beautiful to say and to hear. I'm proud of you. Phrase 40. You've got this. Encouragement, confidence. You can do it. You've got this. I want to stop on phrase 40 for a moment. You've got this. Because right now, in this lesson, that is exactly what I want to say to you. You've got this. Every phrase you have said today, that is your English growing, one phrase at a time. Okay, the last group, phrases 41 to 50. I told you at the beginning, this group has a secret inside it. Here is what it is. These phrases are the ones that make native speakers say, even without thinking, oh, this person speaks English well. Not because the words are difficult, but because these phrases show something that grammar alone never can. They show personality. Ready? Group 5, phrases 41 to 50. The fluency phrases. Phrase 41. That's a great point. Shows you are listening, shows you think. That's a great point. Phrase 42. I see where you're coming from. You understand their perspective, even if you disagree. I see where you're coming from. Phrase 43. Let me think about that. Not, I don't know. This sounds confident and thoughtful. Let me think about that. Phrase 44. Off the top of my head. Before answering quickly, without time to think. Off the top of my head. Phrase 45. That rings a bell. Means, that sounds familiar. I think I know it. That rings a bell. Phrase 46. I'll keep that in mind. You will remember what someone said. I'll keep that in mind. Phrase 47. Let's touch base later. Means let's talk again soon and catch up. Let's touch base later. Phrase 48. It slipped my mind. You forgot, but you say it politely and naturally. It slipped my mind. Phrase 49. You're telling me. Strong agreement, like I know exactly what you mean. You're telling me. Phrase 50. It is what it is. Acceptance, moving forward. Very popular in natural English. It is what it is. 50 phrases. All yours. Take a breath. I want to share something before we finish. A few months ago, a young woman wrote to Simple Spoken. Her name is Priya. She is from India. She works for a company where all the meetings, every single one, are in English. She said, "Henry, I understand most of what people say, but when I try to speak in meetings, I freeze. I wait too long, and by the time I find the words, the moment is gone. I feel invisible, like I am not really there." She started practicing with these phrases, slowly, every day. 2 months later, she wrote again. She said, "Henry, today in our meeting, someone made a point I agreed with, and before I could even think, I just said, 'That's a great point. I see where you're coming from.' And everyone looked at me, and my manager nodded, and for the first time in 2 years of working there, I felt like I was really in the room. I felt like I was really in the room." That is what these phrases do. They don't just teach you English, they give you back a piece of yourself, the piece that gets quiet when language gets in the way. You are Priya, and Priya, she is you. 50 phrases, 5 groups, 1 lesson. Let me remind you what you have today. Group 1, how to greet people and open conversations. Group 2, how to react naturally while someone speaks. Group 3, how to ask for help without embarrassment. Group 4, how to express real feelings in English. Group 5, the phrases that make you sound naturally fluent. Your homework, and I mean this seriously, pick just 5 phrases from today, 5 that felt natural to you, 5 that you want to use. Write them down somewhere, say them out loud 3 times today, and then, this week, use one of them in a real moment. One real phrase, one real person, one real conversation. That is all it takes to start. Now, go to the comments, tell me which phrase was your favorite, or which one surprised you most. Write it below. I read every comment and I reply to every single one. And if this lesson helped you today, please give it a thumbs up. It takes 1 second and it helps YouTube share this lesson with more learners just like you. If you are not subscribed to Simple Spoken yet, please do. Every week, Henry brings you slow, clear English you can actually use. No pressure, no rush. Just you, getting better, one lesson at a time. I will see you in the next one. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and remember, your English voice is worth hearing. Goodbye for now.